Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are diving into two essential commands that every Linux user, especially system administrator and a developer should know: which command and whereis command. If you ever installed a program and then wondered where exactly is this command located or why is my script not picking up the right binaries, these commands are your go-to tool. We will not only cover how they work but also explore real world scenarios where they can save your time. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for whereis. These are the options. Let's see the manual page for which command. These are the options we can use. Which command helps you to find the absolute path of an executable file that would run when you type a command in the terminal. It searches the directory listed in the $path environment variable. So the basic usage is, let's say you want to check where the Python 3 command is located. You can run with which Python 3. The output will display user bin Python 3. This tells us that when you type Python 3, the system execute user bin Python 3. When would you use which command? Before running a command in a script, you can check if it exists. Like I have searched git using which command. If which returns nothing, it means git is not installed or not in your path. Sometimes multiple version of a program exist on your system, especially if you have installed custom version. Use which to see which version is being executed. Example, I will run which Python. Let's run which Python 3. This helps when debugging the environment issues, ensuring the correct binaries is being used. If you suspect multiple version of program exist, use -a Python 3. This will list all the matching binaries found in $path. In my case, only one Python is installed. So here I have taken an example. When you run which-a Python 3, this will list all matching binaries found in $path. For example, user local bin Python 3 and user bin Python 3. These are the two outputs you will get when you have installed multiple Python. If you have multiple version of a Python installed, which-a Python 3 will help you to identify them. For example, if you have manually installed another version in user local bin, it will appear in the list and the first path, this is the first path, will be the one executed by default. So let's go to the terminal. Let's see whereis command. While which only shows the executable path, whereis command goes a step further by locating binary files, that is the executable files, source code if it is available, and the manual pages. To find everything related to ls command, we run whereis space followed by the command. You will get this kind of output. This tells ls binary is at user bin ls and its man page is in user share man slash man1 ls.1.zz. Here it has the manual page. When would you use whereis command? If you are unsure where a command's manual page is located, you can run whereis followed by the command. Now you can view a manual page using man. Like this also you can run. I have run the manual page using man command. So let's see how we can filter the result with whereis command. Whereis If you run -b, it will show only the binary path. These are the binary path. If you want to run, if you want to show only the manual location like -m followed by SSH, this will show only the manual page. So these are the key difference between which and whereis. Here you can see on my screen. If you want, you can take the screenshot. And that's it for this tutorial. We have explored the which command and whereis command, two powerful tools for locating executables and their associated files. These commands are essential for troubleshooting, debugging, and managing softwares on Linux. Remember, this command works across most Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Fedora, and of course Rocky Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such Linux tutorials. Check out our other videos for more system administrator tips. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.